Welcome to the Digital Marketing Mastery Podcast. Today we are dissecting a crucial update from Google's local search ranking algorithm, focusing on the openness signal. Let's dive into the key highlights from a recent Search Engine Land article and provide in-depth reactions to understand the implications for businesses and digital marketers. So according to them, Google's local search ranking algorithm has recently been updated to strengthen its openness signal for non-navigational queries. That's according to Danny Sullivan, Google's search liaison. Let's unpack this. The openness signal refers to whether a business is open at the time of a user's search query. Historically, this was a minor factor in Google's algorithm, but now it's taking center stage for non-navigational queries. This is a game changer. Why? Because it reflects a deeper understanding of user intent. When people search for services without specifying a brand, they're often looking for immediate solutions. By prioritizing open businesses, Google is enhancing the user experience, ensuring that search results are not just relevant, but also immediately actionable. For businesses, this means a shift in SEO strategy. It's no longer just about keywords and backlinks, it's about aligning your online presence with your actual business operations. This update is a call to action for businesses to ensure their Google business profile accurately reflects their operating hours. It's just a move towards more dynamic, real-time SEO. But there's a broader implication here. This change signifies Google's ongoing commitment to refining its algorithms to better match user behavior. As digital marketers, we need to stay agile and responsive to these changes. It's about understanding the evolving landscape of search and adapting our strategies accordingly. The other highlight here is that earlier this month, a report showed Google ranked open businesses. Google ranked open businesses more often in its local search rankings, higher than businesses that are closed. So this finding is a wake-up call for local businesses. It's a clear evidence of how operational factors like business hours are becoming critical in SEO. What does this mean in practice? If your business is open when most others are closed, you could gain a significant edge in local search rankings. Consider the implications consider these implications for businesses with extended hours or those operating in time-sensitive industries. This update could strategically means an advantage. So making your business more visible during off-peak hours. It's an opportunity to capture a market segment that's actively searching when most competitors are closed. However, this also raises questions about the level playing field in SEO. Smaller businesses or those with limited hours might feel at a disadvantage. It highlights the need for diverse SEO strategy that does not solely rely on operational hours, but also encompasses other aspects like content quality, user experience, and local citations. Moreover, this shift towards operational factors in SEO underscores the importance of accurate and honest representation of business hours. It's a reminder that ethical SEO practices are not just about compliance. They are about building trust with both search engines and users. The other highlight here is Non-navigational queries are queries where you search for types of services versus specific brands. This distinction is critical in understanding the impact of the update. Non-navigational queries are broader and often indicate immediate need or local intent. For instance, when you search for pharmacy near me versus CVS near me, this update significantly affects the former. So what's the takeaway for businesses and marketers? It's about optimizing for the right kind of queries. Your SEO strategy should account for these broader service-based queries. This involves understanding your audience's search behavior and tailoring your content and keyword to match these broader service queries. But there's a deeper strategy at play here. This shift suggests that Google is valuing immediacy and convenience more in its rankings. Businesses need to think about how they can position themselves as immediate solutions to customer needs. This could involve strategies like local content marketing, community engagement, and leveraging local reviews and testimonials. It's also a call to refine your local SEO strategy. Ensure your NAP, your NAP or name, address, and phone number details are consistent across the web. Engage in local link building and actively manage your online reputation. Remember, in the world of local SEO, it's not just about being found. It's about being found at the right time. So there's a caution here, caution against manipulating business hours. So it says here that I would not recommend businesses do this. Here, given the ranking signal may continue to be adjusted. So Danny Sullivan's caution here is a critical reminder of the dynamic nature of SEO. Attempting to manipulate business hours for SEO gains is a short-sighted strategy. It is important to remember that Google's algorithms are continually evolving. So what works today might not work tomorrow and could even lead to penalties. This statement also reflects the ethical considerations in SEO. It's about providing accurate, honest information to users. Misrepresenting your business hours not only risks penalties from Google, but also damages your credibility with customers. Trust is crucial. It's a very crucial currency in the digital world, and once lost, it's hard to regain. For businesses, this means focusing on sustainable long-term SEO strategies. It's about building a robust online presence that accurately reflects your business and meets user needs. This involves a holistic approach to SEO, optimizing your website for user experience, creating a valuable content, engaging with your audience on social media, and strong local presence. In essence, this update is a reminder that SEO is not just technical endeavor. It's a customer-centric approach. It's about aligning your digital marketing efforts with the needs and behaviors of your customers. As we navigate these changes, remember, the core of SEO remains the same, providing value to your users. So in conclusion, Google's update to its local search algorithm is a significant development in the world of SEO. It highlights the importance of aligning your online presence with your actual business operations and adapting to the evolving search landscape. For businesses and digital marketers, this is an opportunity to rethink strategies, focus on ethical practices, and prioritize the user experience. Stay tuned for more insights and strategies on navigating the digital world. Thank you for tuning into the Digital Marketing Mastery podcast, specifically in local SEO. Don't forget to subscribe for more in-depth analysis and discussions on the latest trends in digital marketing. Until next time, bye.